Hello, my name is Cody Kratz, and this will be my video interview for the Theater Bridge Summer Program at Brown. I began theater my freshman year at Lake City High School, and I'm currently a junior now. I walked into the theater department room as a freshman because I was scheduled to take Theater 1, and the head of the department, Sandra Seaton, looked at me from head to toe, and she just simply stated, "I like you." And so ever since then I was kind of interested in theater, and I took the class and I advanced in the class, and I picked up everything really well, and I was working well with the kids who were involved in the classroom, and we did a bunch of cool activities together, and it really got me thinking and how much I enjoyed it. And apparently Seaton thought I was so apt, I suppose, that she put me in the school's production of Shakespeare's Twelfth Night, and ever since then I was hooked. And from then I had been doing 10-minute shows. I had been doing productions of the show at the school I put on. I was in a Renaissance fair. I went to state drama with an ensemble serious scene. I was the lead in our school's production of Nine Dragons. Currently, right now, I'm a musketeer in our show's showing of The Three Musketeers that's coming out this April. And so I was really involved in the entire theater program. I'm really well known in the department, and everybody kind of knows me, and I know everybody, and we get along really well together. Outside of theater, I feel like my skills that I've taken from theater have really moved me when it comes to working with people who aren't involved in the program, who don't know anything about it. The skills that I learned in theater class and the shows and everything like that, it's really transgressed through me into being able to speak to people who I don't know, being able to meet people, introduce myself, speak in front of crowds, no worries about my diction or my projection or anything like that. An incredibly large amount of self-confidence in my capabilities in speaking to crowds, not having to worry about people judging me, anything like that. All of my insecurities are gone, which I really enjoy having. So I feel like my skills that I've learned in theater have really, and are really going to be able to help me in the future when it comes to pitching a meeting or being able to deal with high-class accountants or customers or anything that need just communication to be able to solve a problem. And I think that's where a lot of the skills that I've learned in theater help me out. Outside of theater, just completely, I really enjoy playing lacrosse. I love the sport. I love the physicality of it, being able to run and pass and hit people, and just being able to be part of something bigger than yourself, being a part of a team, being maybe a team leader in some points, leading a team goal, just the bonds that you create with the people that you work with on a daily basis, and you kind of grow and you break down with the people that you work with. And when I played lacrosse, I really enjoyed that sense of unity, the sense that we were all one when we played on the field, and we would score and we would lose and we would win together. And it just made me think that, I'm not just me, it's a team skill and it's a team building exercise. And with that, I've kind of taken that into theater. I've taken that mentality of it's not just you out there into theater, and I've been able to, help and work with people, play well with others when it comes to my other actors and my crewmen and my makeup and my costume, and knowing that it's not just the actors that are out there, it's not just you, you are not the only person on the show. And so that's really helped me, plus the physicality is great, obviously. But outside of just lacrosse, I do love history, I love academics, and when it comes to academics, history has probably been my passion. I was enrolled in the AP, I took the country's third hardest AP test, passed with flying colors. Now I'm involved in the IB, my school's highest level of education. In that history class, I love it. I love learning about the great men that's come before us, their faults, their achievements, and I've really taken away some lessons from the great men who passed before us, learning, because my favorite phrase in all of history is that if you don't learn from history, you're doomed to repeat it. And it's very true. If you don't learn about the successes and the failures that great men in history have accomplished and failed at, you're going to repeat it. You're going to fail just as the Roman Empire did, or just as the Huns did, anything. So if you can take away from it, you're better prepared for the future, and you can deal with it. You can have the great traits that the great men had and reflect it upon yourself. You can be the great man that Julius Caesar was and not get killed by 27 members of his Congress or anything like that. You're not going to get stabbed, which is just a great thing. So I feel like if you can learn from history, you can reflect it upon yourself and just become a better person as it is. In any case, this is my video interview. I look forward from hearing from you, and I hope that we can become better acquainted in the summer program.